This is how you make a cool 3D chain animation inside After Effects. Go up to the rectangle tool up here, no fill, with a stroke between 60 and 100, I chose 80. And just draw a rectangle across here like this. On the drop down menu on the rectangle path, I'm going to increase the roundness. And then I'm just going to make sure the anchor point is centered by command double clicking the pan behind tool, so it's all centered in the middle there. Then I'm going to make the layer 3D by clicking the cube icon here. And then I'm going to change the renderer to advanced 3D. This should trigger another window to appear called the geometry options, where I can increase the extrusion depth to 60, the bevel style to convex, and the bevel depth to 10. Then on the material options, I can increase the specular shininess to 100, and this gives it a metal effect. Then on the transform tools on the anchor point, I'm going to change the Z value to 30, which is half of the extrusion depth down here. Then I'm going to right click, go new, light, do an environment light, and tick cast shadows. Then I'm going to rotate the rounded rectangle to 90 degrees on the Z axis like this. And then I'm going to select the shape and then Command D to duplicate. And then on the transform tools, on the Y rotation on this duplicated one, I'm going to set that to 90. And then I'm going to just position it up like this by pressing P on my keyboard and just dragging it up until the two edges are sort of touching. And then I can select both of these and then pull them down and then duplicate those and then shift both up. So we're basically just building the chain. And then I can highlight those duplicated versions and just parent them to the first link. So when I move the original shape, it's all going to shift in a big long chain like this. And what's great is if I press S on my keyboard, I can even scale it and it's all going to move together. And if I press P on my keyboard, I can keyframe it on frame 1 and then move to the end and then pull it down. And I can also do the rotation too, just spin it around like this. And if I want, I can highlight those, pre-compose, call it chain, and then I can duplicate that. And we have two. Voila, awesome chain animation. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.